Trying to see if there's any hay in this shed that hadn't got water damage, and so far really not found much. It stinks. Looks like everywhere it just keeps funneling water in here from where that roof is open. Right now we're getting ready to take this panel out and maybe get up here and cut this tree and let it fall straight down. That'd get a lot of weight off of there and wouldn't be as dangerous to work under it. But we'll see how it goes.
Really? I believe it is. Whoa, there you go. Good job. Yeah. Did it? I hear something popping.
Particularly like that. I ain't doing what I was expecting.
Me either.
That big one's gonna lay down. I should get up there, I should have cut the top out it first. Let me think here a minute. That thing may come up.
You have what?
I said I about took my butt with me.
Oh. You coming down? There you go.
You want to check Woolie's eye where Tony gave him some shots. What'd you say you gave him? 7? He's probably not going to come near you.
Well, he did this morning.
Come here, Woolie.
Well, now it doesn't take...
Woolie's my pet. Hi, Woolie.
Hey, Woolie. Oh, gosh. It even looks better than it did this morning.
Oh, Woolie, your eye looks good. It's still pretty red, though, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Did he have
and
pink eye?
I bet it's going to scar, but... Oh, that's a lot of swellings went down. That looks a lot better.
Rafiki, you quit pushing everybody out of the way.
That's all the treats we got.
That's all the treats. You didn't get no treats?
No, that's all I'm giving them.
Well, you need to give
Hey,
me more.
boy.
These boys don't get many treats.
Well, they've got treats and feed both today.
Gosh, I keep forgetting. I've got bread at home for the cows, and I keep forgetting to get it.
Yeah, I give them a bunch of feed this morning because we had to get something out from over there in that junk pile.
Gosh. Yeah, so Tony and his dad worked on this today while I was at work.
Yeah, and tomorrow I'll start getting more hay out there.
Yeah.
I need to get me a sawmill to cut up some of these.
You cut that big tree off of it.
Yeah, and the other part, the part that was on the roof, besides that one piece is right here.
And Tony thinks...
See, this was on the roof.
Yeah.
There's still 2 locusts on the roof, but they ain't no big deal at the moment.
Yeah. So Tony thinks that this is just going to be destroyed,
Well,
like they're going to total it.
Pretty much all that hay is got wet. And so far I found 2 rolls that ain't been wet at all.
But so they can't eat this at all?
They would eat some of it, but
yeah,
I don't know.
So you think you're just going to tear this down and put one big hay shed?
I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't
it's
know
got a lot of decisions because the insurance adjuster will be here Monday.
Monday.
Yeah, so.
And I'm sure he ain't going to tell me right then nothing.
Yeah. Listen to Nazareth.
What?
He wants some more treats.
He probably wants a peppermint and I ain't got none with me today.
Well, you better give him. I feel like they feel neglected. He may miss his babies. You miss your babies, Nazareth? Listen at him whining.
You silly boy.
Why's he whining?
I don't know.
I think he does want a peppermint.
I ain't got one.
You need to just keep those in here.
I did, but I ended up eating them. What he didn't eat.
Oh.
What do you think?
Oh, that's up to you.
Well, look at the grass. There's still some grass in there.
We're both going to move the cows into the hayfield.
I don't know, they are moving and carrying on though, ain't they?
Well, we can go in here and look and see how it looks.
Well, I can see it looks fine right on top, but it always does there. I could put them in here a few days. Most of them's right here. I can go open that other gate and this one too.
It's a pretty day today. Look back there at those mountains, Tony.
It is pretty. You can see a good long way through.
Yeah. Yeah, I believe the girls are wanting to move. They get bored standing field for too long.
This gate so these others can get in here. Well, at least Melvin ain't escaped again.
There's little Melvin. He escaped yesterday, but...
Come on, scallywags. on 2 balls. Oh, there's a third little bite. There's the third bite,
Look at
Bella.
Bella's hair. It used to not be like that, did it? She's growing her hair out.
Tell her you're mature.
Yeah, she's getting little curls.
Are you a little bit? Are you a little bit?
They're all little.
We're gonna start weaning your little butts here
Oh, I
soon.
do not like that. Gosh, Sadie's not little, is she?
No, she ain't.
She's a big girl.
This little Charlotte, he certainly ain't no little fella. You're 17. She's shy, but she'll still eat one. She's just cautious. There's your mama. Here's your mama. Look at that. That's Shy Boy. 24's little one. I don't know why he's so shy.
Well, these, the big cows are not near as bad over the treats as the little ones are.
Let's give this little, oh wait a minute, let's get to the house while we can and nothing's chasing us.
So I guess they'll be in here a few days, won't they?
Yeah, might be longer than a few since I got this hay shed tore apart. I don't know what to do there.
We'll come back tomorrow and see how everyone's doing. Boy, the sky looks really pretty in the farm. We're coming over here to check what?
I want to see how many rolls I have in this shed right now.
Yeah, he's wanting to check and see
I
how
got
many.
50 coming Tuesday,
How
and
many?
this is where it's got to go. If it'll hold it all.
I don't know if 50 will fit in there, will it?
I can't remember how many I put in here.
You got a busy week. You got an insurance adjuster coming Monday,
I've got
pay coming
so
on
much to
Tuesday.
do this week.
We've got a ton of stuff to do.
Shoot, I can't get 50 rolls in there.
I don't know, can you? Trying to figure out if you can get 50 rolls in here.
I think it'll hold 80, son.
How many you got in there now?
I thought I only had 2 rows, but I think I've got 3.